All of you have heard of what recently happened to an army major and his fiancée at a police station here at Bhubaneswar. This is very, very shocking news of the violence that was meted out to both of them and the alleged sexual assault on the major's fiancée. We demand a full judicial inquiry into this matter, and action must be taken very quickly. Well, now as they've announced quite clearly, they've been there in government for more than 100 days. They've had enough time to see to all this. In the time of our government, we had a program where I and my ministers would ring up the telephone, the police stations, to ask if there were any complaints from any of the people who visited the police station.
ये जो घटना घटी आम सरकार ऑलरेडी क्राइम ब्रांच को तदंत दायित्व देइछंती एवं तापरे मध्य सामानकु ता भितर 4 जन को ऑलरेडी सस्पेंड करा हेछि एवं तांको नारे एफआईआर भी रजू करा हेछि तांको ऊपर जहाँ भी कार्यानुष्ठान नया जिबा कथा आम सरकार केबे भी क्षेत्र में पछगुंचा दियंती नाही एवं सेति पई से दृढ़ कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण करिया पई आवश्यक जहाँ पदक्षेप नवा कथा आम नौचु एणु से कौन प्रकार व्यस्तता हवा दरकार नहीं आम सरकार सचेतन अच्छा तार दृढ़ कार्यानुष्ठान आगामी दिन में नेबे।